Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Birch. In this video, I have my finished project right here. Let's see if I just click on web view, we should be able to see it. Okay, it says what my project looks like, and I'm happy with it. Okay, now what I want to do in this video is just show how to actually publish this onto the web so that anyone can see it. So first things first, I've been editing code here in Replit, and even though I'm connected to a repository on GitHub, none of my changes here are going to be in GitHub. So let's just test this theory. Let's see if I can go there. Nope, that's okay. I'll just go to github.com, and I have my repository right here. Okay, and it says I had commits 2 days ago, but nothing recent. So we can just check this really easily. Notice I have these 3 little social media icons in my images folder, but here in my images folder I have all these. Okay, nice easy way to tell that my content is not going to GitHub. So first things first, I'm going to click on Git, and it says, hey, you have this as a remote, which means you got your code from here, but you're not connected to GitHub. So I'm just going to say connect to GitHub, and I'll just say all repositories. That's fine. And I'll put in my password. Hopefully that's the right password. Oh, good. Okay, nice. So it says I'm connected, and it also says nothing to push or pull. Last fetched. This fetch thing will just check to see if there's anything to change or anything that's there on GitHub that isn't here. And this is saying, nope, there's nothing to push or pull. Good. Now it says 12 review changes, commit message. I have all these things that I've changed. I can look at each one of these and kind of see what has been changed. All these ones have been added. And so all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to say finished personal project. Okay. And then I'll say stage and commit all changes, and I'll push it. So the stage and commit will go ahead and basically make like a checkpoint on my computer, or in this case in Replit. And then when I say push, it's actually going to go to GitHub. So now if I refresh this, yeah, I have this family carousel folder now. I have all these, and I should see all my updated code. And now there's 4 commits. One is from just now. So yeah, I think everything's here. So now what I'm going to do, now that my code is here, I want to actually publish this so that anybody can see it. And I could just like share a link with anyone. So if I go to pages, so I went to settings and then into pages over here, I'm going to say deploy from branch, and I'm going to say my master branch. That's the only branch I have, and I'll just say save. Okay. Now this is a free feature that GitHub has. As long as my repository, my little project right here, is public, then GitHub will let me host this on here for free. Now this usually takes a couple minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this video, and as soon as I see this change, I'll go ahead and unpause and we'll look at it. We'll see what it looks like. All right, that was actually pretty quick. I think I only had that on pause for about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. But now it says your site is live here. Now notice the pattern here. This just has my GitHub username, .github.io/my repository name. Okay, that's how it'll always be. You can add a custom domain if you ever wanted to. We're not really going to cover that during our boot camp, but it's an option. And when you click on this, you can see my site up and running exactly the way it was in Replit. There's no way for me to edit the code here, but I could send this out to my Facebook friends. I could pull this up on my phone. It won't look very good on my phone, but I could pull it up on there if I wanted to. But you can see everything's working exactly the same way as it was on Replit, which is kind of cool. We even have a bunch of jokes working here. This is awesome. So yeah, anyways, that is how we can publish to GitHub pages. If I just go back over here, again, you can see where it is here. And again, that's just inside of settings and pages, and that's it.